the whole time. That sounds like a reality, Matthias. Alright, crazy time, 15x. Time. Blue and yellow, yes.
Okay. Yes, let's go. Cash hunt 5x. Wappa! Tu me partiste el corazón. Welcome, guys. Cash hunt 5 times bigger. Let's go. So you see this, but wait. Now 5x on everything. Okay, max multiplies the 500x. Ta-da-ta-ta, ta-da-da-ta-ta, and ta-da-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Alright, now shoot. Also the bunny you see there, it's my bunny. My bunny looks exactly like that, 1-on-1. Seriously. Anyways, make a choice, shoot. If you don't want violence, you can auto pick and find that 500x.
Oh!
339 winners on a 500x, 809 winners on a 100x, and the rest of you are winning on other multipliers. Let's go. Thank you.
One with the 5x right now, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, let's see where we are landing. Okay, this is looking very nice. And ladies and gentlemen, we have a crazy time. Time of my life. And whoa! Alright, crazy time, let's go! Woo, baby! Crazy time! Alright, the big boy wheel, yeah. Biggest wheel in the world. What kind of multipliers we do have here? Oh, I see 200x and triple. Well, choose the color, guys. Green, blue, yellow. Green, blue, yellow. Well, you show me the way, and then we are going for something. And what will be that something? Very soon we will find out. Here we go. 200x is the highest one. I wish you the best, guys. Let's go. Ooh la la, we have a 225x's, blue and yellow, yes, nice, but green, guys, you have a double. So everything is doubled, 400x is somewhere there, if there is a chance. Well, let's find out. I wish you the best, guys. 400. Oh, it's a 400x for green. Let's go, baby. All right, number one, guys. Number one. I saw back to back. That would be amazing. But oh well. 1,631 of you. Daisy again, Irish last year, and everyone else who made some money. Very good, very nice. I wish you the best. Let's continue. Another one. I doubt you the whole time. That sounds like a reality, Matthias. Alright, crazy time, 15x. Time of my life. Can we get a crazy time? I mean, maybe? Oh, baby! We have a crazy time, 15x, ladies and gentlemen. Woo, baby! Let's go! Follow me. We are the champion, my friend. Okay, guys. 15x top slot crazy time. Woo! Alright, we have 100 and double right now, but everything will be multiplied by 15 on the wheel, ladies and gentlemen. Holy guacamole. 1,500x is somewhere there. Oh, boy. Okay, guys, choose the color. Choose the color what you want to go for. And, well, maybe we will have a banger for you there in the end. Green, blue, yellow. You go for it, and we will see. Oh boy, oh boy. Good luck to you. Let's go. Woo! Oh, we have a green 1,500x, blue 375, and yellow as well. Damn, this is how we do it, ladies and gentlemen. 3,062 of you, Daisy, Manilus, and everyone else who made some money.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Somebody like me. Somebody like me. Took you out and showed you the city. How'd you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah. Well, only one who did that was somebody like me. When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. You told me that you've been